Hola Marina, ¿cómo estás?
Hola Ben, pues fenomenal, ¿tú qué tal?
Muy bien, estamos en la montaña. We are taking what we call one of our Monday morning meetings, ¿no?
Sí.
Reunión del lunes, but it sounds better in English. Monday morning meetings. Sometimes on a Monday, Marina and I will take off and we will just head for the mountains.
Yeah.
Okay. Tenemos mucha suerte de que Madrid está al lado de la Sierra de Guadarrama.
Yeah.
No? Madrid is next to the Sierra de Guadarrama. We've got some fun Spanish phrases coming up for you now, and we've got a request of you guys. It's easy, don't worry, because we really want to hear from you, right? But look behind. I don't know if you can see the Sierra behind us there, reaching off into the distance.
La dehesa.
We're in a spot that we love. ¿Dónde estamos?
Pues estamos en la silla de Felipe II, subiendo hacia el pico de las Machotas, en el Escorial.
Sí, el Escorial está justo detrás nuestro. El Escorial is just behind us. So, look, on Friday I sent out an email which was entitled Life-Changing Spanish. It talked about how Spanish had changed my life so much. You know, apart from meeting my lovely wife, Marina, it's become my work for 17 years, teaching Spanish with Marina. I've even chaired like parent-teacher meetings in Spanish, you know, times where I just sort of look inside and go, what on earth am I doing here? How did this ever happen? You know, it's just ridiculous, the funny places Spanish has led me. So today we want to ask you, leave us a comment. How has Spanish changed your life? Even in a tiny way, just the joy of learning something new, or maybe you've had big life experiences with Spanish. So tell us, how has Spanish changed your life? Or just a really nice experience you had with Spanish, right? So we want to say it's your turn. How do you say that in Spanish, Marina?
Te toca a ti.
Te toca. You can say te toca a ti or te toca. This is a lovely piece of real Spanish, no? Often you use it when you're playing a board game. If it's your turn, you say...
Ven, te toca a ti.
Ven, te toca. Or if it's my turn, I
up
say...
in the clouds, as we say in Spanish. Están las nubes.
Or if Marina's trying to have another go and it's my turn, I go, me toca, me toca. It's my turn. Literally, it touches to me. It's my turn, me toca, right? So, hoy te toca a ti to leave us a message. How has Spanish changed your life, or a marvelous experience you've had with learning Spanish, or just how learning Spanish makes you feel? Okay, we want to just gather a load of wonderful positive experiences in the comments to all read together. See?
Sí.
Great. Watch out for another message from us on Wednesday. We are going to send you a message about a wonderful other life-changing Spanish opportunity. So watch out for that on Wednesday. But for now, tell us, it's getting windy. How has Spanish changed your life? Wonderful Spanish learning experiences. We're going up the mountain, right?
Yes, te toca, ven.
Me toca subir la montaña.
Te toca.
Me alegro mucho, me encanta.
Nos toca.
Nos toca. You had one other example, didn't you? You were going to give with toca, no? What was it?
Ben, te toca poner la lavadora.
Right, we were just planning the video before, and Marina said, I can say, Ben, te toca poner la lavadora. Ben, it's your turn to put to load up the washing machine and turn it on. And I was going to say, Marina, ¿cómo me puedes hablar de lavadoras en un sitio como esto? How can you talk to me about washing machines in a place like this? You must be joking. But anyway, a lo mejor es verdad que me toca poner la lavadora. Right, te toca a ti. Leave us a comment. How Spanish has changed your life, why you love it. A wonderful experience with Spanish, and watch out for a message from us on Wednesday. More life-changing Spanish possibilities. Hasta ahora.
Hasta luego.
Hasta luego.